Good day, sir, ma'am. My name is Rosalamar. I am 25 years old. I live in Vista Alegre, Anilao, Iloilo. I am a single. I am a high school graduate. My experience is a local helper since 2008 to 2013. I serve 5 members of the family. The grandma is 77 years old. The adult is 39 years old. The children is 6 and 4 years old. My duties are I am the babysitter. I cook the simple Filipino food like the adobo, like the sinigang, like the pinakbet, and I'm willing to learn to cook the Chinese food. And my reason to go to abroad is because I want to help my family to financially, and to my future employer I promise to finish my contract the best I can. Thank you.
You said that you worked until 2013 last year.
Yes.
What month? What month is that? So how long have you been jobless? How many months already? Or do you have a new work now? Are you working?
No, ma'am.
So you're only in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but anyway, you've been working since 2008, you said. So for around 4 years. No, 5 years.
2008.
Until 2013.
2008.
Around 5 years. Okay. So with your experience as a local maid, so you think you can manage to serve your Hong Kong employer?
Yes,
Okay. And you mentioned that you've been caring 2 children. They're now 5 years old and 2.
2 years old and
Okay.
4 years old.
In case in Hong Kong got also a 2-year-old child, are you willing to take?
Yes.
Let's say younger than 2 years old. Let's say a toddler, infant, or infant. Are you willing?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn how to take care of the baby.
With the supervision of employer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Still single.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have a boyfriend? So no plans of getting married yet? How long are you planning to work in Hong Kong?
When my family is in a good
How long? How many years you think?
6 years.
Longer also. So you have to work hard, no?
Yes.
Okay, so what can you promise to the employer if they will hire you?
I promised her, ma'am, to finish my contract,
Of course, what else?
and then I promised I do my best, and I obey what
Yes,
she
be
said.
obedient, no?
Yes.
Hard work. Okay, good luck to you.